Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will see a grandma's tricks to get pregnant. If it's the first time you view our videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Before we begin, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more information, please click the links in the description. Superstitions, miracle recipes and top secret advice put the odds on your side to increase your fertility. Tips 100% not guaranteed by the College of Physicians. When the desire for a child is felt, we are ready to do anything to make it work, and quickly. So why not try our grandmother's good old methods of getting pregnant? Of course, the result is not guaranteed, but as our elders would say, it does not eat bread. Magic potions to get pregnant. There is the oral solution to be taken morning and evening from the first to the last day of menstruation and supposed to clean the tubes to facilitate the conception of the baby. Boiled water with half a sugar and 2 tablespoons of dry lavender. There are also many enema recipes to be administered into the vagina with a pear, but beware of the risks of irritation of the vaginal flora. This could serve your end goal, as the official drink of future mothers. At worst, you will gain a more pink complexion. Advice from grandmothers during hugs. First of all, be sure to make love on full moon evenings, the star of fertility par excellence. One caveat: do not forget your dates ovulation, that they are scientifically recommended for cuddling. In addition to the most penetrating positions, the man above, our grandmothers strongly recommend to stay in the air after intercourse. The position of the pear tree is a classic to help the sperm to make their way. Do not hesitate to consult our Kama Sutra of Design. Customs to boost fertility. The best known: do not take a shower after love to avoid scaring away the sperm. The rest of the time, do not forget to sleep with the flaps open so as not to lose sight of the moon. This would help the cycles to regulate. Notice to those who have trouble identifying their ovulation date. The miraculous nutritional elements. Of course, diet and fertility are linked. But in addition to garlic, fennel and other foods stuffed with vitamin C, our grandmothers go further. For them, certain nutrients make it possible to get pregnant. First, borage oil, which would strengthen the quality of the cervical mucus. But also brewer's yeast, which would boost cell development. All you have to do is consult all the methods to carry out a home pregnancy test. The result is not guaranteed either. You will not be able to refute the theses of sorcery that you have just read. Thank you for watching. You can watch more videos by clicking the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.